Hi everyone, welcome back. So today we have the software called BugHerd, and this is the best bug tracking and tool for visual feedback and software. So this is an amazing platform. Now before we dive in, there's a link in the description that you can access to get yourself extended free trial and exclusive bonuses. Now how it works is basically this is a platform and it also have an extension that I have added onto my extension on my you can see browser. You can see, let me just head over to manage extensions and you can see BugHerd. So make sure you get that. You will eventually get it installed automatically once you are logging in or signing up for the platform. Now what you're going to do is, let's say if you head over to a platform and you want to simply review it, you're going to be opening your extension from here and an interface is going to be opening on the right side of your screen. So let me just give it a try to that. Let's just open a website and let's just head over to some shopping website. I'm going to be typing shop and let's just say this is a platform and I want to report a bug for it. So I'm going to be heading over to my BugHerd extension and I'm going to be simply opening that. Let's just check out if it is working. Okay, so it was not working on that platform, but I